Hello everybody, welcome to jurycentral.com online classes for law exam. So today I have started a new session in which I will be discussing with you the prelims question paper of West Bengal Judicial Services, which was held in the year 2020. So as many of you know that the last date to submit the application form was till 5th of August. Now the last dates are over. So from today onwards, I have started this session in which I will be discussing with you the previous 5 years question paper of West Bengal Judicial Services. Many of you have requested me and it is a long pending demand from my side to take a session on that. So today I am taking a session on your most demanded topic. So before starting this session, let me give you a brief about this examination. So this is a test booklet which I will be discussing with you. The total time is 2.5 hours and the full marks are 200. Then let me tell you there is a negative marking of 1/3 and for each correct answer you will be awarded 1 mark. So let us start. So as I will be dealing with your total number of 200 questions, so today I will be going a little fast with you. In case if you face any doubt, kindly leave your comment in the comment section below. So this is the first part, and in which questions relating to English are given. So what kind of questions you will see in this question paper, let me tell you. So you will be having questions from English, then from general knowledge and also from reasoning. So these are the three main topics apart from your legal questions. So let us see. I am as strong as him. Change the adjective into the comparative degree without changing the meaning. So the correct option is option number C. He is not stronger than me. 2. Fill in with the right word. As obstinate as a mule. Option number B. 3. He is a better mechanic than clerk. 4. Add a suitable suffix to gift to form a new word. It will be gifted. So suffix is actually added after a word. So it shall be gifted. I don't think I should be able to go. Option number D. Then 6. Fill in with suitable preposition. Faith bears up a man. 7. He is sure to work up the mob. Use the suitable preposition. So this is actually option number C. He is sure to work up the mob. 8. The policy of extending a country's empire is called option number D. Imperialism. 9th. I can do the sums. Option number D. Quickly. Change the mode of narration. Cheer up mother, I'll go and get work somewhere, said Jack. Entreating his mother to cheer up, Jack promised to go and get work somewhere. Option number B. Then the horse and the coach has arrived. It will not be have, because most of you having this down that maybe the correct option would be option number A, have, but it won't be have, it will be has, because horse and the coach are taken as one object. 12. They were building a house. Choose the correct passive form of the given sentence. Option number C. A house was being built by them. 13. Write a single word for the phrase. The act of killing one's brother. It is known as option number D. Fratricide. 14. The synonym for the word impudence. It is actually option number B. Insolence. 15. Change the degree of comparison without changing the meaning. Malacca is the oldest town in Malaysia. Correct option would be no other town is Malaysia is as old as Malacca. I hope you understood this question. So you have to choose a appropriate sentence which actually is not changing the sentence given in the question. Then question number 16. Pick out the adverb clause in the given sentence. You may sit wherever you like. So the adverb clause would be wherever you like. Option number D. 17. The word hypochondria means a fear of becoming ill. 18. I will phone you when he comes back. 19. Many things have happened since I left school. Option number D. Their approach to the problem was professional. Replace the bold word with a suitable antonym. So the antonym professional will be option number C, amateurish. 21. In consequence of his illness, he couldn't finish his work. Then 22. Oligopoly means, it means option number C, a state of limited market competition. As silent as the option number C, grave. This 23. 24. He behaved just as brave men should do. He combined into a single sentence. He jumped up, he ran away. The one sentence will be jumping up, he ran away. Then question number 26. Choose the word that is most closely opposite in meaning to oppressive. So the the opposite meaning of oppressive will be option number D, liberating. The word homonym means, it means option number B, two words having similar pronunciation but different meanings. 28. If only I were young again, transform into an assertive sentence. So the assertive sentence will be I wish I were young again. 29. Barking up the wrong tree. It means making a wrong choice. 30. The idiom when pigs fly. It means something that will never happen. Option number B. Which country holds the BRICS presidency in 2020? This is option number B, Russia. 32. The Ministry of Tribal Affairs had announced that around 9 tribal fighters museum are to be established by option number A, 22. And now tell me, in reference to question number 31, the BRICS summit, the BRICS presidency of the year 2021 will be held by India. 33. Which book was written by Salman Rushdie? This is option number C, Midnight's Children. 34. Find the missing term. Yard, the smallest unit is inch. Quart, it will be option number B, ounce. Which month in the year 2020 will be observed as Nutrition Month as announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? This option number B is September. Then question number 36. Find the missing term in the series. It will be, so I hope you understood the difference of each numbers is actually starting from 4, 5, 6. So this is the reason why the square of 2, square of 3, square of 4, square of 5, square of 6. Then it comes to option number 91. Find the missing term. So here you have to choose the missing term. Here the correct option would be option number A. This is 35. I hope you understood this question. And if you do not understand the question, then comment in the comment section below. 38. Mohini Attam is a folk dance of option number D, Kerala. 39. Who was the political guru of Gandhiji? This is option number D, G.K. Gokhale. 40. Which scientist first introduced the concept of inertia? This is option number B, Galileo. Government of West Bengal launches 2 new schemes, Snehe, Porosh and Prochesta, on option number D, 5th of May 2020. 42. Silicon Valley of India is located in option number B, Bangalore. 43. From which drama the following is quoted? To be or not to be, that is the question. This is option number B, Hamlet. Find the missing term. Again, you have to choose the correct option. The correct option will be option number D, 481. So I would recommend you to solve it by your own. And in case if you are not understanding, then only comment in the comment section below. Then 46. Find the odd one out. Tortoise, duck, snake. So the correct option would be option number C, whale. Then 47. The former Indian Test opening batsman who recently expired due to COVID-19 was option number D, Chetan Chauhan. Find the missing term. Marathon race. Then hibernation, it will be sleep. 49. The first country in the world to register a COVID-19 vaccine is option number D, Russia. 50. Who wrote White Tiger? This is option number C, Arvind Adiga. 51. Find the odd one out. This will be option number A, triangle. I hope you understood, because circle, oval and square are all related to each other by a round shape. But triangular, the shape of triangle is actually different from the rest of the 3. 52. Which bank joined hands with 3 insurers to provide individual short-term Corona Kavach policy? This is option number D, Canara Bank. Find the missing term. Careful, cautious, boastful. It means option number C, arrogant. 54. Which state secured top spot in Scotch State of Governance 2019 ranking? So it is option number B. It's Gujarat. Then 56. Find the odd one out. Goat, dog, puppy, buffalo. This will be puppy. International Youth Day is actually option number A, 12th of August. 58. Viruses are not responsible for option number B, malaria. Because malaria is actually not responsible. That malaria doesn't cause due to virus. 59. Satyajit Ray received an award in 1967. Which was that award? It was option number A, Magsaysay Award. Then option number 60, rubber is obtained from option number D, latex. 61. What is India's rank on the UNDP's Human Development Index 2019? This is option number A, 129th. Right to privacy of Indian citizens is protected by the Constitution in option number C, Article 21. Find the missing number in this series. So the correct option is option number C, 17. Then National Education Policy 2020 emphasizes to set up which fund? This is option number B, Gender Inclusion Fund. 65. Harappa is on the option number A, left bank of Ravi. Then 66. Name the Indian fast bowler who will be conferred the Arjuna Award for the year 2020. It is option number D, Ishant Sharma. 67. In which country the Zulu folk dance can be seen? This is option number A, South Africa. 68. In which year former president late Pranab Mukherjee was awarded Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in the country? This is option number D, 2019. 69. Thailand announced that it has proceeded to test its novel coronavirus vaccine on which animal or bird? This is option number A, monkeys. 70. Late Kamal Rani, who recently expired due to COVID-19, was a cabinet minister for technical education in the state of option number B, Uttar Pradesh. 71. A proclaimed person whose property has been attached can claim the property on the sale proceeds on appearance within option number B, 2 years of attachment. 72. Which section of the Limitation Act 1963 provides for the extension of time over that period during which a person is delayed by the court's action? This is option number A, 4. Then 73. Limitation period for suits not specifically provided under the Schedule to the Limitation Act 1963 is option number B, 3 years. 74. Rule of strict liability is contained in option number B, Rylance versus Fletcher. Then 75. Under section 8 of the Evidence Act, this option number D, motive is relevant, preparation is relevant, and conduct is also relevant. 76. Article 33 of the Constitution of India empowers Parliament to modify fundamental rights in relation to armed forces. 77. The provision of section 195 of the CRPC are option number A, mandatory. 78. Section 79 to 85 of the Indian Evidence Act contain this option number B, rebuttable presumption of law. 79. Preliminary decree can be passed in a suit. This option number D, for partition, for partnership, and for possession and men's profit. 80. Article 30 of the Constitution of India guarantees the right to establish and administer educational institutions. It is available to option number C, all minorities based on religion or language. 81. Find out the correct answer. This option A, Sunni Muslim women can gift offer option number D, entire property. 82. Laying of trap is a part of option number D, investigation. Court can condemn the delay under section option number D, 473 of CRPC. 84. Section 76 and 79 of the IPC provide the general exceptions of option number A, mistake of fact. 85. Basically tort is a species of option number C, civil injury or civil wrong. Then 86. Section 97 of the IPC extends the right of private defense of property to the offense of theft and robbery. 87. Point out where Hindu law doesn't apply to. This option number D. The illegitimate children of a Hindu father by a Christian mother who are brought up as Christian. 88. A Muslim woman can create waqf when she attains the age of option number B 18 years. 89. Which is not ancestral property. This option number C. All property inherited by a male Hindu from his mother. 90. Which of the following sections prescribes the method by which signature can be proved? This option number A and B. Section 45 of Indian Evidence Act and B. Section 46 of Indian Evidence Act. 91. Right to logic caveat has been provided under option number B. Section 148 of the CPC. 92. It is mandatory for a police officer to inform the person arrested the grounds of arrest and right of bail if the offence is not non-bailable. Under section option number B, it is 50 of CRPC. Then 93. Dower under Muslim law is option number A, personal property of the wife and she can appropriate it wherever she likes. 94. A minor's agreement is option number A, is void ab initio, cannot be ratified. 95. A contract is not frustrated, option number A, by commercial impossibility. Then 96. Pleading has been defined in option number A, Order 6, Rule 1 of the CPC. 97. The offence of public nuisance is punishable under option number A, criminal law or criminal proceedings. 98. Section 8 of the Limitation Act 1963 imposes a limitation on the concessions provided by section 6 and 7 of Limitation Act to a period under disability to a maximum of 3 years from cessation of disability. 99. Legal disability contemplated by section 6 of the Limitation Act 1963 providing for extension of the period of limitation doesn't include option number C, insolvency. Insolvency doesn't come under legal disability under section 6. 100. In a written statement, the defendant can claim this option number C, set off only and counterclaim. That means both set off and counterclaim. 101. The right to constitutional remedies guaranteed under Article 32 of the Constitution of India is available to option number C, all natural persons, citizens and non-citizens. 102. Judgment on admissions is passed by civil court under option number D, Order 12, Rule 6. 103. A wagering contract is void under option number C, Section 30 of Indian Contract Act. 104. Basically, the law of limitation is founded on option number A, public policy. 105. Under Section 82 of Indian Evidence Act, the court must presume what? Option number A. Option number C, actually both A and B, that the seal or stamp or signature is genuine, and B, that the person signing the document held at the time when he signed the judicial or official character he claims. 106. Appointment of receiver has been provided in CPC in option number A, Order 40. 107. Opinions of experts are relevant under Section 45 of Evidence Act. 108. A suit may be dismissed under Order 9 of Code of Civil Procedure 1908 in all of the above, where the summons is not served upon the defendant in consequences of the plaintiff's failure to pay cost for service of summons. Then, when neither the plaintiff nor the defendant appears, and C, where plaintiff after summons returned unserved fails for 7 days to apply for fresh summons. 109. Muslim law in India is option number C, uncodified with some legislation. 110. Foreign state may be sued in any court. Option number B, with the consent of the central government. 111. The power of the President of India to issue an ordinance is option number B. It's actually a legislative power. 112. Under which article of the Constitution of India nothing shall prevent the appointment of the same person as governor for 2 or more states? This is option number B, Article 153. 113. According to 61 of the Indian Evidence Act, option number D, the contents of documents must be proved neither by primary nor by secondary evidence. 114. Prescribed period means a period of limitation computed in accordance with the provisions of Limitation Act 1963. 115. Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 is an exception to the general rule contained in option number A, Section 3 of Limitation Act 1963. 116 under which article of the Constitution of India the meaning of Gram Sabha is given? This is option number B. Article 243B, 117, where once time has begun to run, no subsequent disability or inability to institute a suit or make up an application stops it. This is laid down in which section of the Limitation Act? This is option number C, section 9. 118 to invoke the doctrine of estoppel, which of the following conditions must be satisfied? This is option number D, all of them. Representation by a person to another. B, the other shall have acted upon the said representation, and also such representation shall have been detrimental to the interest of the person to whom the representation has been made. 119. Adoption under Muslim law is option number A, unlawful. Then 120. Enforcement of liability of surety under CPC is dealt with in option number A, section 145. 121. Commission under order 26 of CPC cannot be issued, option number D, for appointment of receiver. 122. The period of limitation under the Limitation Act 1963 for a suit to enforce a right of preemption is option number A, 1 year. 123. Disposal of property at the conclusion of trial is governed by section option number A, 452 of the CRPC. 124. Promotion of cooperative societies is stated in option number B, article 43B of Constitution of India. 125. This section of the Limitation Act 1963 is an exception to the general rule that in personal actions Limitation Act 1963 bars only the remedy and doesn't extinguish the right. This is option number B, section 27. 126. Libel is a publication of a defamatory statement in option number B, permanent form. 127. Which section of the Limitation Act 1963 provides for exclusion of time of proceeding bona fide in court without jurisdiction? This is given under option A, section 14. 128. Bailment involves option number B, change of possession. 129. Section 133 exempts the personal appearance in court. These all of the above: the President of India, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, the judges of the Supreme Court. 130. Limitation for filing an appeal commences from option number A, date of judgment. Then 131. The liability of independent tortfeasors is actually option number B, several only. 132. Ijma under Muslim law connotes option number B, consensus of opinion. 133. Limitation Act 1963 doesn't apply to option number D, this writ petition. 134. Which section of the Limitation Act 1963 provides for exclusion of time in cases where leave to sue or appeal as a pauper is applied for? This given under option number C, section 13. 135. Definition of secondary evidence has been given under option number C, 63 of the Indian Evidence Act. 136. Under section 498 of the IPC, cruelty includes option number A, harassment of the women. Then 137. Conspiracy is option number C, crime and tort both. 138. Union with strong center is taken from option number A, Canada. 139. The word wrong in a defense of insanity refers to option number D, moral and legal wrong. 140. Surety can be sentenced to civil imprisonment in default of payment of penalty under the surety bond for a maximum period of option number D, 6 months. 141. Motions of preparation and conduct are relevant under option number C, section 8. It is not motion, it is motive of preparation and conduct are relevant under section 8 of the Evidence Act. 142. According to section 20 of the CPC, a suit may be filed at the plaintiff's option in the court where the cause of action wholly or partly arises, option number C. 143. Time limit prescribed for the service of summons on the defendant is option number C, 30 days. 144. The damages under section 73 of Indian Contract Act, option number B, compensatory. 145. The right to private defense extends to causing death under the circumstances laid down in option number D, section 100 and 103. 146. A decree may be executed by option number D either by the court which passed it or to which it is set. Question number 147. Admissibility of electronic record has been prescribed under option number C, section 65B of the Evidence Act. 148. Public documents are mentioned in option number C, section 74 of the Evidence Act. 149. Find out which is not Stridhan as per Dayabhaga system of Hindu law. This is option number A. Gift made to female of immovable property given by a husband to his wife. So this will not be considered as a Stridhan. 150. Contingent contract is option number C. Becomes void when the event becomes impossible. 151. Alibi is governed by option number D. Section 11 of the Indian Evidence Act. 152. Ratification of an act, option number C, can be either express or implied. 153. The maxim res ipsa loquitur is option number C, rule of evidence. 154. Sex with a girl through fraudulent consent amounts to option number A, rape. 155. Relevancy of facts forming part of same transaction is dealt under which of the following sections of the Indian Evidence Act? This is option number D, section 6. 156. Which section of the Limitation Act 1963 provides for the limitation period in case of suits against trustees and their representatives? This is option number D, section 10. 157. The appropriate unit issued by court to quash the appointment of a person to a public office is that of the appropriate writ. This is not unit, writ, and it is known as option number C, quo warranto. 158. Under section 83 of the Indian Evidence Act, presumption as to accuracy of maps and plans can be raised in respect of option number B, maps and plans made by the authority of government. 159. Abatement under section 107 of the IPC can be constituted by instigation, conspiracy and intentional aid. Option number D, all of the above. 160. The word socialist and secular were inserted in the preamble by the option number C, Constitution 42nd Amendment Act 1976. 161. The maxim ignorantia juris non excusat means ignorance of law is no excuse. Option number A. 162. Section 24 of CPC applies. Option number D, both suits and execution proceedings. 163. Bank guarantees independent contract between option number B, bank and beneficiary. 164. Ex parte proceeding against a defendant implies option number A, the court may proceed with the case in the absence of the defendant. 165. Under section 7 of the Limitation Act 1963, which of the following persons can give a discharge? This is option number C, both A and B, karta of a joint Hindu family and partner of a firm. Then question number 166. A female Hindu may take in adoption of a male child of 6 years old under Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act when she attains the age of option number B, 27 years of age. Then 167. What is period of limitation under the Limitation Act 1963 for leave to appear and defend a suit under summary procedure? This option number is 10 days. 168. The right to life under Article 21 includes the right to enjoyment of pollution free water is expressed in option number B. The name of the case is Dr. B.L. Vadhera versus Union of India. 169. For conspiracy, the minimum number of persons required is option number D, 2. 170. Section 3 to 11 of the Limitation Act 1963 deal with the limitation of this option number C, suits, appeals and applications. Then 171. Prohibition against discrimination under Article 15 clause 1 of the Constitution of India is for option number B, citizens. 172. The Constitution of India as framed by the Constituent Assembly was finally adopted on option number C, 26th of November 1949. 173. Novation of a contract means option number B, substitution of a new contract in place of original contract. 174. Which section of the Limitation Act 1963 provides for computation of period of limitation in case of death of a person on or before the accrual of the right to sue? This option number C, section 16. 175. Fumes constitute option number D, private nuisance. 176. Preamble of the Constitution is framed with the great care and deliberation so that it reflects the high purpose and noble objectives of the Constitution makers. Is expressed in option number C, Pradeep Jain versus Union of India. 177. Under which article of the Constitution of India the elections to the House of the People and to the Legislative Assemblies of States are made on the basis of adult suffrage? This option number C is Article 326. 178. Goods may be placed Option number A, by the owner of the goods. 179. Interpleader suit is a suit, option number C, instituted by a person who has no interest in the subject matter. 180. Complainant to the police or statement made to the police that fall within exception to section 499 IPC can claim, option number A, qualified privilege. Then 181. The expression harm is used in section 81 of the IPC in the sense of, option number C, injury or damage. 182. Doctrine of res judicata is based on the maxim of, option number D, interest republica would sit finish litium. 183. Secondary evidence of a document means, option number C, both A and B, copies of the document and oral account of the contents of the documents. 184. Which of the following sections of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 gives provision regarding proof as to electronic signatures? This is option number B, section 67A. 186. Under Order 14 Rule 1 of the Code of Civil Procedure, in a suit, issues are framed in respect of, this option number D, all of the above, questions of fact, questions of law, and mixed questions of fact and law. 187. Section 91 of the CRPC doesn't apply to, option number A, the accused. Then 188. The right guaranteed under Article 25 of the Constitution of India is subject to, option number D, public order, morality and health and other fundamental rights. Then question number 189. Relevancy is, option number A, question of law and can be raised at any time. 190. Which one of the following is a bulwark of freedom, personal freedom? This is option number C, habeas corpus. 191. According to section 65 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872, the secondary evidence can be admitted in, option number C, 7 exceptional cases. 192. Respect for the national flag and the national anthem is, option number B, fundamental duty of every citizen. 193. Fraudulently has been defined as doing anything with intent to defraud under section 25 of the IPC. 194. Right of lien of an agent, option number A, is extinguished by his parting with the possession of the goods. 195. Which of the following sections of the Indian Evidence Act deals with fraud or collusion in obtaining judgment or incompetence of court which may be proved? This is option number C, section 44. Then 196. Which of the following maxims represents the law of limitation? This is option number C, both A and B. Interest republica would sit finis litium and vigilantibus non dormantibus jura subvenient. 197. Ambedkar described this article of the Constitution of India as the heart and soul of the Constitution. This is option number A, Article 32. 198. A document required by law to be attested can be proved under 68 of the Evidence Act, option number B, by calling at least one of the attesting witnesses. Then 199. Tort is derived from the Latin term tortum, is a option number B, French word. And then the last question 200. The directive principle of state policy are fundamental for the governance of a state, option number D. So this has been our session for today and I hope you all have liked it. Do not forget to give a like, share, subscribe to the channel. Till we meet the next time, keep watching our channel and have a nice day.